Are you experiencing any of these troubles? Forget your passcode and can't unlock your phone? Unable to use your Google account for improper operation? Get your phone locked after entering the wrong passcode too many times? Or bought a second-hand phone with the previous owner's Google account? Don't worry! MagFone Android Unlocker help you easily fix locking issues of all Android devices. It can remove multiple types of screen locks, pattern, pin, fingerprint lock, face lock, and passcode. Whether you forget your passcode or your phone is locked, MagFone Android Unlocker can handle all of them with ease. With MagFone, you can remove Google FRP lock without a password, restore your phone to factory settings, and regain full access to it. Then you are free to sign in with a new Google account. MagFone Android Unlocker supports over 6,000 Android devices, including popular brands like Samsung, Huawei, and LG. No matter if your phone runs Android 16.0, 15.0, or 14.0, it is fully compatible. Now, let's take a look at how to use MagFone Android Unlocker. Open MagFone Android Unlocker and select Remove Screen Lock. Choose your mobile phone brand. Connect your device to computer. Click Start. Follow the steps below to enter recovery mode. Next, follow the steps below to remove the screen passcode. Screen lock removed successfully. Discover more about MagFone Android Unlocker. No hesitate to download it for use. Regain full control of your phone starting now.